Hey, it's Tom. Yeah, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. Okay, let me turn this off so it doesn't bother anybody. Um, I've been doing recently reviews of what I would categorize as maybe complicated radios because they have so many options. It's like a fidget toy. You can play with all the options. As a matter of fact, I've been doing it because I like to play with radios as opposed to just sit there listening to them. So now we're going to go back to a basic radio. This was sent to me. I got it yesterday from Retekess, and it's a basic radio that gives you exactly what you need with a lot of functions and button pushing and all that stuff. Let's go over it real quickly. It's AM, FM, and shortwave. These are the controls. This is the band select. This is on-off volume. This is tuning. This is for displaying or setting the time. This is for setting whether it's 22 hours. I was going 22 hours. Woo, boy. 12 hours or 24 hours or 9 kilohertz steps or 10 kilohertz steps on medium wave. This is the ATS function. Yes, it does have an ATS function. It does not have a keypad. So you use the AT function either to do an ATS on mic tuning and storing of the whole band or just search for the next strong signal because it can pick up noise, especially on a shortwave band. And then once you've done that, here you can go to the previous stored station and the next stored station. It does have tone control, high and low. Nice big display. Telescopic antenna, which is about 30 inches, I believe. Carrying handle. Uses either AC or 3 D-cell batteries. Now, this radio, since it's pretty basic, it's probably not going to draw a lot of power, so it'll probably run a long time on 3 D-cell batteries. Does not have recharge capability. Only thing here on the side is the antenna plug and a headphone jack. Now, what's surprising to me, and I verified it, I sent them a question, is the manual says that antenna port is for medium wave. I thought it would be for shortwave. Nope, they verified it's for medium wave, so that's for medium wave. So you have to use, if you want to listen to shortwave or FM, you need to use the telescopic antenna. Let's turn it on. Very bright display. Matter of fact, it probably overpowers my camera. It's so bright. That display doesn't stay on very long. I asked them, that was another question I asked them, is if you're using AC, which means you have power all the time, can you set it to have the display stay on longer or stay on permanently? And the answer was no. So, easy to read if you've got good ambient light. Not a big deal. Big numbers. Very easy to read. It's on the shortwave band right now. I did do a band scan. I found maybe 3 stations using the built-in telescopic antenna. Those were in the United States, like Tennessee, Northeast United States, and Miami area. Probably would do much better outside or in a room that doesn't have all the electronics. It found a lot of noise from my room, but this is primarily for AM and FM, and it does a fantastic job of those. Let me just turn it on. I got it on. Let me turn it to medium wave, and let's see. Am I doing it stored? No, I didn't. Okay, I could. Well, on medium wave and FM, the ATS scan is lightning fast. On shortwave, similar to the V113, it scans the entire band and it takes about 12 minutes. So we can do a quick ATS scan on medium wave. There it goes. Probably wants me to face it the other direction, but I'm going to leave it in this direction. It doesn't give you an indication that it's found any stations while it's searching. It doesn't give you like P1, P2, P3. One of the complaints that one of my viewers had on the V113 is when it showed you the stored location as it was doing the scanning, it stayed there for a second or two, so it delayed the scan. Okay, it's done already. And if we turn the volume up,
how they're cutting back.
There we go.
The impact on this revenue society, I guarantee will be
See,
profound.
it likes that better.
Are you surprised to learn that Lieutenant General
Because most of the stations are that direction, and it wants to be parallel to it. So, no big deal. And we can do next. There's it, P2. That's noise or weak. Yeah, it's weak. Gotta stay away from music.
The Raiders strike it seems like.
Well, I got you on the phone. It's my all-time favorite.
That's right.
We'll go through them quickly and see how many it found. 16, 17, 18. Wow. Okay, found 23 stations, our signals. And that was holding it in this direction, which is not the right direction for listening to medium wave. I did ask them, this was another question I asked them, because there's nothing in the manual, how many memory locations it has for storing what it found during an ATS. Didn't get a response back on that because they didn't understand my question. Okay, I think that's about it. I would show you FM, but trouble is FM is mostly music, and I don't want to record music. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Once again, I want to thank Retekess for our Retekess. I think Retekess is the parent company and Retekess is a subsidiary. I think. I'm guessing. I still don't know. That's why I keep mixing up those two names. Besides, I'm a little brain dead. I think that's about it. I know when I was looking for information on this, I saw a video by Todderbert. Todderbert does a lot of videos, and he goes into a lot of detail. He spent, would you believe, 35 minutes on this radio. Whoa, he really goes into detail. And that was about 8 months ago, so this radio has been out for a while. So if you haven't checked out his channel, it's Todderbert, and he does, like I say, he does lots of radio reviews and in very, very detail. Maybe too much detail. A lot of times I watch his video on 2x speed because he provides so much detail on his radio reviews. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you like my show, and they will show it to other people so that we can grow our subscriber database. Have a great day. Bye-bye.